we're gonna create invoice here by clicking on create invoice button on matter detail page only. Okay, so we're gonna create invoice, clicking on it, a form will appear and payment term. Okay, so I want my customer to pay before 15 days. Okay, net 15 days, and description you can write anything you want here related to invoice. Okay, now invoice line item information, so I'm gonna select both because I want to charge my customer on both things, like on activity and on expenses. So I'm gonna click on this upper, and if you don't want to auto select all, then you can select it individually. Okay, like this, but I want to select all. Okay, so its total will appear here. Now you can see one more thing here, invoice adjustment information. So what is this used for? Now if I want to send my customer some discount or tax on the amount of this invoice, so I can use this. So for example, like on subtotal, means on this I want to discount of 10%. Okay, as I click here percentage, and if I click on amount, it will gonna minus $10. Okay, adjustment amount will be $10, but right now I just want percentage, so it will gonna $5.767. Okay, I have given my customer this much discount here. Okay, that's why the value total amount is 57.67, and now the amount has been reduced to $51.907. Now I'm gonna click on save. After clicking on saving, we're gonna redirect to invoice record page, right? Okay, here you can view all the details, like payment is due this much, it haven't paid anything, final invoice amount after adjustment, like after giving discount or taxes, it would be this much, the total amount were this much. Okay, now if you can't see the activity or expenses you have added here, you can see here we have created one component called invoice line item, where you can see all the details of our activity and expenses which you have included in this invoice. Okay, now on its related tab you can see more things here, like in invoice line item, all the line item we have created added in this invoice. Invoice adjustment, which we have like discount we have added here. Invoice payment, we haven't get any payment, so it will gonna 0. Notes and attachment, we haven't added any, and table again. Okay, now we will gonna create or generate invoice here for sending purpose to our customer. Okay, so we're gonna click on generate invoice. As you can see here, attorney name and its address, customer name and its address. Okay, matter number, open date, and invoice date, due date. Okay, and all the details of expenses or activities whichever you have added in this invoice. Now we can print here by clicking on print. It will open a new tab, a print view format, and we can print this. Okay, if you want to send hard copy to our customer, but right now we don't want, so I can send to mail to my customer. So I'll click on send to mail, and after clicking on send to mail, the PDF format of this page has been sent to customer Gmail ID. Okay, or whatsoever the email ID he or she is using. Okay, now we're gonna see if we have any added in notes and attachment. No, we haven't yet, so we're gonna add my this page in my notes and attachment. So you can see here upload button, right? But if you click on upload button directly, it will gonna throw, or it will gonna say you some caution message. So it will gonna say please select auto attachment. So it is on left corner, auto attachment, select it and then click on upload. Now what will happen, it uploaded this PDF format file to our notes and attachment. One moment, I have to refresh it. Okay, now you can see here invoice and date. Okay, so we have added our generate invoice page as a PDF format here.